In question 9 says, vector B has a magnitude of 60 centimeters per second. And it says, what's the expression for this vector using units of meters per second? So first thing we gotta do is convert the centimeters to meters. So from 60, we go from 0.6 meters. So we just did the little conversion, that's how we got 0.6 meters. So they're also giving us the figure, and we got the vector B, which has an angle of 150 degrees. This represents the x direction, and in the upper direction we have the y-axis. So we're going to use the following equation as we have the value of the magnitude and the angle. So it's going to be beta cosine of theta times I plus beta, the magnitude, times sine of theta times j. So we're plugging the values 0.6 and the angle 150. So if we plug in and multiply it into our calculator, we get minus 0.5196 I plus 0.3j. Now we gotta remember that the x component in this case is the I, and the y component is gonna be j. So overall, this value that we just found is gonna be the same as negative 0.3, write 3 times x instead of y, plus 0.3y, representing the j. And the unit is going to be already in meters per second.